Hi, I'm JD, and what we're going to be doing today is using the TI-84 Plus calculator to solve these questions related to permutations, combinations, and factorials. Please take a moment to pause the video and see if you can try to do these on your own. Alright, so let's go over these. The big thing with permutations and combinations is order. Does order matter? If order does not matter, you're going to use combinations. If order does matter, you're going to use permutations. So how many ways can a committee of 3 students be selected from a group of 20 children? Well, here order doesn't matter, so I'm going to use combinations. So first you put its n, that's kind of your sample size or what you have in your set. So that would be 20. So 20C. And we're choosing 3. So our R would be 3. Now in your calculator, type that 20 in first. You're going to use math. Now these counting rules, permutations, combinations, it's used with calculating probability. So you're going to find that under the probability tab. All right, so there's our NCR. And then 3. And so that gives us 1,140. All right, let's look at our second one. Second question says, from the same group, how many ways can a committee of a president, vice president, and a secretary be selected? Well, since I'm concerned with rank or order, this is going to be permutations. So again, I'm choosing out of 20. So type in 20, go to math, probability. This time we're going to use permutations, and then we're choosing 3. And so that's 6,840. All right, let's look at our last question. How many permutations can be made using all the letters in the word classrooms? Well, with this, it's separate from, it's going to be permutations because you're changing the order, so order matters here, but using all the letters. So if you type in this and you're choosing all the letters, well, I'll show you what you're going to get. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I do 10, go to math, I use permutations, 10, I get that. That's not the right answer, because what's happening is these letters actually matter. So if I put the S here or the S here, well, that's not going to make a difference. So what you have to do is you have to use a separate formula. So we're going to do 10 factorial. So you put in the numerator whatever it is, the number of objects. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to separate it by the different types of objects. So there's 1C, there's 1L. I'm going to ignore all these ones. A, when I type it in the calculator. S's, there's 3 S's. So it's 3 factorial. You're basically grouping all the different types of objects together. So R is 1 factorial. O is 2 factorial, and then M, there's only one of them. So really in the calculator, I just need to put 10 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial. So 10 factorial, so 10 math, probability, factorial. I want to separate this from the numerator and denominator, so I'm going to put this inside parentheses and divide it. So I'm going to divide it, parentheses, 3 factorial. And if you know what that is, you could just write that in there. Same thing with 2 factorial. 2 factorial is just 2 times 1. But I'm just going to put 2 factorial in there. Right, just clicking away. And then close parentheses. Notice I get something different. So that is the actual answer, which is 302,400. That's it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please email me at jdmathguy@gmail.com. Thank you, and have a nice day.